In this video I'm going to show you how you can volume up and volume down with your Beats Fit Pro. So first of all we have to go to the settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Next tap on the information icon next to the Beats Fit Pro name. And right here we have to go below for the press and hold option. And then turn on this option to enable the volume control. And as you can see right now it changed from the noise control to the volume control. So right now when you use the left earbud we are going to volume down, and with the right one we are going to volume up. So let me show you how it works. First of all we have to put them to our ears or just simply cover the sensors, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so click and hold one of them. Okay, looks like I have to put them to the ears. Okay, so take a look. Right now I'm going to press this button. So I'm gonna volume down, and with the right one, just take a look, it will volume up with the right earbud. So one more time with the left one you are going to volume down when you click and hold this button, and with the right one you are going to volume up. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.